Hey YouTube, what is going on? I have just downloaded the updated version of the Delta Executor on my mobile device, as you can see here, and it required me to enter the key. And the last one gotten the outdated, and you need to upgrade. You may have gotten the notification already, and here is the Delta Executor version I have gotten, and I've just generated the key using a website, and I will share the website later on this video tutorial, so stay till the end. And here's the version I have got since the last upgrade here, as you can see. Okay, let me minimize all and show you where I have downloaded that. So you need to go to your browser which you are using and go to the address bar, type this here, dexecutor.com. make sure you are spelling it right so that you can dive into the right website. And this is the interface as well. And here this is the part where I have generated the free key for my Delta Executor, but here I came to tell you how to download it. So the latest version, let me tap on download now button here over here, and now it requires me to enter my Roblox username, which is not already. This is my Roblox username. Here you see. Okay, let me tap on continue over here, and it now validating my Roblox username. And here you need to select the device you are currently using, and I'm going with the iOS. Okay, generate for iOS here. Okay, as you can see here, it has been started generating the latest version of the Delta Executor for my device, and the username. Okay, over here you see. Okay, now it says finalize installing on iOS. Let me tap on here and see plugins required here. 2 additional plugins required to complete the installation process. Open plugin list. Okay, let me tap here to open the plugin list, and here you go. Let me see what it got. So here I need to install 2 apps from the list below to complete the installation process. These are the required plugin to install and run Delta Executor on my device. Okay, that's actually very easy. What you need to do is pretty simple. Just here, tutorial video also been given here. You need to tap here and watch the tutorial video how to install and complete the process, this plugin process. Let me tell you, what you need to do is very simple. Okay, just install 2 apps from the given list, and after you install 2 apps from the given list, that's the required plugin framework thing, and that's the technical part actually. And after you install that, you need to sign up there, like using your Google account or Apple account or phone number. After you sign up, just stay on the app for minimum 30 seconds. That's the minimum thing required to stay there. You don't have to make any activity, make any purchase, just stay there and don't get your phone locked. After you install that, do that thing, and all done. After you did that on 2 apps, you're all done, and you will see the Delta Executor is being generated, installed automatically on your device. And that's how you can get the newest version here. Let me search for the script, like Forge Hub. Okay, Forge. Okay, and here you go. That's the part I was talking about, guys. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to share among your friends if they also needed the Delta Executor newest version. See you very soon, guys.